The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is finally here, and wow, it's stunning. But with all that folding glass and sleek design, dropping it is a real nightmare. So why risk it? Let's break down the top 5 cases made for the Flip 7. Whether you want tough protection, slim style, or fun vibes, we've got you covered. And trust me, number 1 is an absolute beast. You'll want it before your first drop. Coming in at number 5 is the Vehibi case, and this one is seriously underrated. It somehow hits that sweet spot between everyday functionality and refined design. It's light in the hand, wireless charging friendly, and features a semi-automatic hinge cover that's honestly genius. It opens and closes with your phone, shielding that delicate hinge without adding bulk. On the front, you get an HD tempered glass protector for the flex window, scratch resistant, ultra clear, and super responsive. Add to that a textured anti-slipback, fingerprint-resistant finish, and a soft fiber interior, and you've got a case that feels good, protects well, and won't cramp your style. Think of it as armor in a tux. At number 4, we've got the Rinky Slim Magnetic Case, aka the case for people who hate cases. It's feather-light, barely adds any thickness, and keeps your Flip 7 looking exactly how Samsung designed it. Clean and futuristic. The frosted matte polycarbonate doesn't yellow, feels smooth in hand, and actually makes your phone look even more premium. But what really wins points is its MagSafe compatibility, a rarity for such slim cases. Wireless charging? Check. Fingerprint scanner access? Seamless. Bonus, a lanyard hole for those who want to sling it on the go. If you want your phone to look naked but stay protected, this is your go-to. Number 3 on the list is where the fun begins, Samsung's own Flip Suit case. This isn't just a case, it's a whole mood. It pairs with customizable Flip Suit cards that bring your Flex window to life with matching themes, animations, and even mini-games. Yes, you can play a pinball game right on the outer screen. Want to showcase a favorite memory? The case lets you upload personal photo frames, turning your cover display into a digital scrapbook. It doesn't skimp on protection either, with a solid build and perfect fit. But really, it's the interactivity that sets this one apart. If your phone is your personality, the Flip Suit case is your wardrobe. For those who need a tougher shell without giving up sleekness, meet the UAG Move case. Sitting comfortably at number 2, this case blends impact-resistant TPU with a translucent PC back that shows off your Flip 7 style underneath. The corners are reinforced with airsoft cushioning, so if you do drop it, you won't feel your soul leave your body. There's also a built-in magnet for MagSafe accessories, and it plays nicely with Samsung Pay. It installs easily with a 2-piece design and adhesive grip, and that non-slip texture? Chef's kiss. If you want solid military-grade protection in a streamlined, modern form, the Move case checks every box. Finally, the top spot goes to the Supcase UB Pro, and let me tell you, it's not for the faint-hearted. This is the Hummer of phone cases, designed for serious protection. Built with hybrid TPU and polycarbonate, it's got reinforced corners, a hinge cover that locks into place, and a tempered glass screen protector that keeps your display crystal clear. But it doesn't stop there. This bad boy comes with a 360-degree rotatable belt clip, a kickstand for hands-free flex mode viewing, and an anti-slip grip that keeps it planted in your hand. Yes, it's a little bulky, but if you're clumsy, adventurous, or just want bulletproof peace of mind, there's no better choice. And there you have it, 5 top cases built for the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Whether you're into rugged, minimal, or bold styles, there's something here for everyone. This phone bends the rules, so protect it like it deserves. Which case are you picking? Got another favorite we missed? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more flip tips.